Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, May 9th, and these are your bell ringer problems. We've got problems number 1 through 4 to do today. So problem number 1, we're going to take a look at 38 and 96 hundredths divided by 2 hundredths. 38 and 96 hundredths divided by 2 hundredths. All right. And I know that 2 can go into 3 one time. And excuse me, before I can do this problem, I need to make it into a whole number. 1, 2, so that becomes 2. And then 1, 2, so that becomes 3,896. Now, 2 can go into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. 0, bring down that 9. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Goes in there. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. And I'm left with 0. So my answer is 1,948. And that is a comma. 1,948. All right. Problem number 2. The area of a square is 64 millimeters squared. What is the length of each side? So essentially, what we're going to do here, this symbol means find the square root, and I need to find the square root of 64, which means I need to think to myself, what two numbers multiplied by themselves equal 64? And I know that number is 8, right? Because if I had a square, and I had 8 and 8 here, 8 times 8 would give me an area of 64. So I know that I have 8, and it is 8 inches. All right. Oh, millimeters, excuse me. All right, number 3, I have 43 and 6/10. I've got 9 and 28 hundredths. And I've got 362 thousandths. And I am adding all of these together. So before I'm going to add, I'm going to go ahead and fill in all my empty spaces with zeros. Oops, just one there. There we go. All right, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 8 plus 6 is 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4, 5. Bring your decimal straight down. So I get 53 and 242 thousandths. And then last but not least for today, I need to find the average and the mode of 52, 34, 62, 23, 71, and 52. Well, right now I can tell you that my mode is going to be 52 because it shows up in my list more than one time. Now I'm going to go ahead and work this out over here. So I've got 52 plus 34 plus 62 plus 23 plus 71 and 52. Go ahead and I'll add all these up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 294. And I'm going to take 294 and I'm going to divide 294 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problem, or 6 numbers. I know that 6 cannot go into 2. 6 can go into 29 4 times because 4 times 6 is 24. 9 times 4 is 5. Bring down your 4. 6 can go into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. I get a 0. So my average, or my mean, is 49. It's 49. All right. And then let's go ahead and take a look at problem number 1 on the back here. Problem number 1, it says use the distributive property to solve 13 times x plus 7. Okay? And so when you use the distributive property, that means that you're just going to take this and you're going to multiply it times both of these. Okay? And we know that when we multiply 13 times a number or any number times a variable, they just get stuck together. So you get 13x plus, and then I'm going to do 13 times 7 over here.